Hello guys, welcome to another video, where we make coding as exciting as watching a cat trying to play piano. If you've survived our previous video, congratulations. You've earned a badge in patience. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of making your app transition from a splash screen to a home page faster than you can say, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Now, let's waltz over to the splash screen, where the real magic happens. We're going to override the init state method. No, not create, override. It's like telling your code, hey, we're not playing hide and seek. You better show up. Now, here's the juicy part. We're bringing in the timer class. Think of it as a magician's assistant, making things disappear right on cue. We're using the duration class to tell our code to chill for 3 seconds. Why 3 seconds? Well, we're not making the audience wait for the next Star Wars sequel. In timer class, we're giving it 2 tasks, time and a function to perform after the timer's done. It's like telling your microwave, eat this popcorn for 3 minutes, and then do a backflip. For the function, we're hopping on the navigator class to teleport to the home page. Now, why push replacement? We don't want our splash screen lurking in the background like a ghost at a party. So, push replacement it is, the Houdini of navigation methods. Inside this magic trick, we're handing it a route, the material pager route. It's like telling your GPS, take me to homepage street. And inside that, we're passing our homepage screen class to the builder. It's like saying, build me a home. And don't forget the Wi-Fi. Now, about those semicolons. They're like the silent ninjas of coding, sneaky and elusive. We're rounding them up and making sure they behave. Save the code, run the app, and voila. After 3 seconds, your splash screen bows out gracefully, and the home page takes center stage. Isn't it smoother than butter on a hot pancake? If you've grasped the complexity of this waltz between screens, hit that subscribe button. Share this video with your friends because, let's be honest, coding is more fun when you have buddies to laugh at your errors. Help us reach 1,000 subscribers, and together, we'll make coding the coolest party trick on the internet. Until next time, happy coding, and may your bugs be as rare as a unicorn on roller skates. Cheers.